Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and today, as you can see in the title, we're going to be having an introduction to HTML. So we are getting pretty far into our Django series, and we're to the point now where we need to, we made a view, and it got to the screen, okay. But that's not best practice. So now we really need to start putting stuff in some HTML. So we're going to put something on the screen, but we're going to mess with the view and we're going to have pages. And I didn't want to convolute HTML in. So we're gonna take a step out for just a second, and we need to look at some HTML and see how it works. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We do micro videos. We break it down one subject at a time, and so they're all searchable. Hopefully you're not just seeing us for the first time today, but let's just go ahead and jump into it. So this right here is a very bare bones HTML page. This is going to tell the software, hey, everything on this page is going to be HTML. Now I want you to look right here. All right. So this is just like our string, our lists, our tuple, our dictionary, beginning and end. And I really want to draw your attention to this right here. And it goes on the outermost extent. So I have my HTML, my beginning HTML, then my ending HTML with my backslash. All right. Then I'm going to say that I'm going to have the header right here. So I start it, then I have a title, and I don't have anything in there, and then here's the body. Boom and boom. And it always starts, opens, closes, and it closes. This is what I always had a hard time with. I always forgot this backslash. Open, no backslash, backslash, closing it out. All right, and then here are some of the other heavy hitters. We're not going to use all of them. I just threw some out here. And what's kind of cool is head has a 1 through 6. And I'll just show them to you. But this is a real quick intro to HTML and how it's going to look and what it's going to look like next video, tomorrow, and we'll just go from there. So as always, guys, please drop any comments, questions, any video requests down below. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here, or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.